Good day, this is Mrs. Davis. Today we're going to read another selection from Scholastic. It's called Rainy Weather Days by Pam Rosenberg. And here we see a photograph of a little girl, and she is just letting the rain fall down and splash on her face, and she looks awfully happy to be exploring that moment. Let's read. Looks like rain. Splish splash, grab your umbrella and boots. Let's go outside and find some puddles. It's going to be a rainy weather day. Here we've got the keyword puddles, and we see a young boy here. He's got his boots on and his umbrella and his raincoat, and he's out splashing in those puddles. And puddles are when water groups together in one area. And I know that we're going to have lots of rainy days, and we have been having lots of rainy days, so I encourage you to get out and splash in those puddles. Spring can be a rainy season. Springtime flowers need rain to grow. Sometimes people say that April showers bring May flowers. So here you see a photograph of a girl smelling the flowers that have grown. I have, of course, planted my garden for the year, and I wanted to make sure that I planted it so that the rain that comes in April will help them grow, and they'll be ready to peek out in May. Spring isn't the only time it rains. It can rain in summer, fall, and winter too. Rain will turn icy if it is very cold outside. Icy rain is called sleet. We had quite a few days of this kind of weather this year where it's rained, but it was cold out, and then that rain froze into our keyword sleet. Raindrops come from clouds. A cloud is made of many tiny water droplets. The tiny droplets crash into each other. They make bigger drops. When the drops get too heavy, they fall as rain. So here we see the clouds as they're really, really heavy, and here is after it has rained. The smallest raindrops are the size of a tiny dot. Larger raindrops may be as big as a pea. So here is a caption that matches the smallest raindrop and a caption for the larger raindrop. Rain gauge is a long tube with a wide opening at the top. It is a tool that helps meteorologists measure how much rain falls during a storm. So here we see the rain gauge, okay, and at the top is where they can see how much rain has fallen during a storm. That way they can communicate that. Rain fills up our lakes and rivers. It gives us water to drink and helps our food grow. Rain helps make life on Earth possible. It makes splashing in puddles possible too. So here we see a young boy and maybe perhaps his grandfather and their dog enjoying the rain. The dog doesn't look too happy, but the people do. And I think this is an important time to just enjoy those moments and enjoy nature and the rain. So we've learned lots of facts about the way that rain helps us. So I encourage you to think about some sentences that you could write down about how rain comes about and also what it does for our planet. Happy exploring!